Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Nsembi ekoso ewo social media. Nkrofo ebo Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo din, even though in a way he's not related to this particular thing. And then oko Twitter, first trend end SARS. Second trend end police brutality in Nigeria now. Third trend Nigeria. Fourth trend ECOWAS. Fifth trend Buhari. Into okwa Nana Akufo-Addo so ni din trend trends nimo. Now, maybe lay all the facts down so I explain matters. Dintia asori rises is ya mene wo kasei. Bo Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo din. Celebrities bebree akasa Nana ba na moa. In fact, munim se onipa ba kwa wo use ni YouTube channel de bia woka se wono de Nana Addo Danakoma so na wodo Nana Addo pa Kojo Sheldon. Ono mpo ni buafu masisi ano wono so ka na adwen atre Nana Addo. Ye be read tweet ni bi atre mo. Ba ansa ye be read tweet no e was say Ghana for etiase because a lot of Ghanaians don't understand what is going on. This is the explanation. Nigeria for police department ewo ekuo bi a ye friend the SARS. Na SARS no ye say ye de kun etia armed robberies ewo Nigeria. Into over Ghana Police Department ye wo ebia anti-robbery department, ye wo anti-narcotics board, ye wo crime nesanya mo say Ghana ye wo sanya ye wo cyber crime nesanya department nia, ye wo CID eka police for ho, ye wo MTTD ye police for mo hwe kwan so ne nyama. They are all part of the police force. Into Nigeria for also SARS no, it was part of the police force, but SARS no, it was a special group. Yet say they kun etia armed robbers. It was created a very long time ago in Nigeria. Now, in recent times, for about 10 years in the space of 10 years na SARS ya yeti womo se womo enkun entia armed robbery no. Oma kwa say national security because womo nche uniform. Nti omo ye police for obo hu so omo create na so omo nche uniform as a Ghana national security NSRCID for no sa pepepe no mo so omo te. Na SARS for a yeti omo se womo nko entia armed robbery no. Na afei in a way no, they were abusing their powers just for the want of a better word. Obi beka say omo abuse omo powers say. Na afei womo tu omo ni esi Nigeria mebunu ne so. Nti wo ye Nigeria mebunu na ye hu se wo twi car Porsche car SARS for you ombetete wo. Oye Nigeria mebunu na yehu ne se wa ye dreadlocks, wa dresse uluki fine. Ye betete wo. Oye Nigeria mebunu na yehu ne se wo kita iPhone and the latest Android phone. Ye betete wo. Intino wo mo be abuse wo mo powers. Eku ayeti omo se wo mo nkuntia armed robbers no. Sisi ade emebunu no na wo mo ewo sika na nyama na ye kwantia with the notion says am mebunu no sebe wo mo ye yahoo. In some of these cases no na emebunu ni bi ebia yemfa ne se me say Melodies na me nam kwan ho etime ka mu ehwa abon se police ni stop me say wo say we di sen e na wo tina car we mu no masa yenko police station unim say eni obi an obepene obi beka say sesen na wo say metime ka mu a wo hu mi a say ade na mete ka mu ntimi nko police station wo bi sa me say ka na cry media nti mebunu ni bia womo ye se womo ni police no twetwe ho womo ni SARS no twetwe ho se SARS ne se he di mechi ne enko ye se ne enko na mebunu no womo anko no SARS for atwetuo ekun womo. And a lot of cases over the years na esi mebunu ni bi show evidence se SARS for no etumi di omochi ekọ mebunu no womo bank na SARS for na extort omo agiske free omo nsem se wa ma miska mi nja o ma wonko obi a yede wa basa be kun etia robbers no na afei wo ma atomuni esi Nigeria mebunu ne so. Nti this year na mebunu no pagya wo mu se yatena se abre ya chese ya che aden. And it started from a recent video that went viral. Abrantie bi SARS for no ekuno. And Nigeria mebunu ka say ya bre aden boni be na yenkwaye ye. Yenya mo boni bia se wobi ye mebunu a wote ne kan mu nti wusi hey. To the extent say na Nigeria for a wo mo abrochire wo mo back to Nigeria kran na SARS fo ni hu omo won sem brofo no mo ba sa na ya na aha wo mo bo life SARS fo ni hu omo na ya chi omo until recently enam so SARS fo no mistakenly omo ko kun mebunu ni bi na mebunu ni sorry until the whole of Nigeria obetia na wo mo ye protest until ebi mo no mo ntia se de ntia Nigeria mebunu no sorry ya wo mo ye protest. It was because of that. Now protest na ekoso mebunu no ema some points omo ma demand say answer na mo be meet to this demand no protest no etuo entwa because Nigeria government ehun say okay mebunu no ya tese musu say SARS no yentwem ye twa SARS ni mu now so nkrofo kwa train old publications by ya as far back as 2012 SARS for ekokun obi ema aban babonte be kase we twa SARS mu now so 2020 still SARS were existing inti mebunu no sanso so kase hey mo kase mo twa SARS mu enye nde still SARS wo ho inti se wo de wanu akase we twa SARS mu a ye ntiye inti Nigeria aban ebesesa SARS din no ekọ SWAT ena mebunu no ehya asese wo mo sanso ye demonstration say end SWAT na edin ne keke na mo asesa nkrofo a ewom no mo nsesa wo mo ye inti ensem ne yensem bia na ehuru ewo Nigeria ehuru ene na protest inti no emebunu no ebe ma some conditions say ansana wo mo betie aban ejai protest na wo mo eye no one omo aban omo SARS no eku wo mo nina over the years ni ano e wo say aban compensate wo mo families because we ku wo mo wrongly inti pesike bi mo families no two officers na wo mo dis anyambra nsem a ye chi wo mo camera so wo mo ayanchi wo mo camera so kra yenim no wo mo nso aban mo nchi wo mo ntum three mo cancel SARS ema wo mo sanso de hyemu say SARS fo a eka police fo hui o mo ye sure say sika ye ntia police fo ye ntia no mo ye santi aban sanso ntia police fo ye and it was all part of the condition. It is still as a condition here Nigeria mebunu no edebetu dwa no na aban wonye ready say wo be address conditions no. It is still demonstration no ekoso. It ya fei ye be hu an say allegedly vigilantes aba be rem ama wo mo ye protest no ni ye abu wo mo nti akwakoda ne citizen versus citizen evidence ba say some of the politicians can share that kotia nipa bonifuo bi sika say wo mo nko no mo ne protest for ne nkoko nti afei na protest for no mo ye protester na emebuni ni bia wo mo akogiska wo politicians wo mo aba no mo de India bubobobo wo mo chese wo mo de sekan ni nyama twitwa protesters no so bi ebufuye ma wo mo retaliate ye nti e be da ne ntokwa in some cases you could break prison allegedly from the government but in Krofokra cancer a government nankasa and they break prison no person they share protesters no na fei ye ma government no ye kasa and so mo break prison there and ye ma military mbem inti ya na Nigeria in Kurobi so no na eye protest no aye den no ye declare 24 hours of curfew obi anhye ne dem 24 hours now so ye be hwa na say ye the military for esikrom na afei wo mutututuo by heart and that me dey ka say the number of people who have been killed in Nigeria right now as we are speaking no enye easy now we be bisa say ban saying and President Akufo-Addo ni din abem now President Akufo-Addo is the chairman of ECOWAS economic community of West African states. President Akufo-Addo was your chairman. It's in Grofo said the AC was Nigeria for a very long time ni mebunu ewu at least if for nothing at all for 1 week because protest na no always ye videos are ye kunkum in Grofo. It's in Grofo ka say it's ECOWAS so one pass ye can ECOWAS pa country are number 1 because ECOWAS is an economic state and an economic community of West African states. It's the biggest economy West Africa Nigeria. It's ye can ECOWAS pan and country number 1. Said it was Nizia ebetumi akaye ni na Nigeria. Into kwesi wo ho sei na wo bia wo ye ECOWAS chairman why you come wa same way so inti na nkrofo kasa say Nigeria fo ni bi kan say ECOWAS chairman ni de esan say na danfo ye president inti de ye president ya wo kunkum nkrofo no ECOWAS chairman ni won pese obefi na no ene ma Ghanaian celebrities Sandra Nkobia Brigitte Otu nanaba na moa amema oti ase Kojo Sheldon mu wo mu nina so de omwanu begu mu se we die nanado ye pe wasem nan so we die eye ne kre because ye wa hasei na France wo mo asori bi ehye oba abontin ebetro apology me say apology oba abontin betro say sympathy you are sympathizing with them ye wa Ghana ha ena American ni police fo kun no nanado ebetro ye eka se Ghana fo ni na asem ne ye wa Ghana ha sei ena nsem bebre na nanado aba betro na nsenya ye wa Ghana ha ena Donald Trump enya coronavirus ena nanado betro ma Donald Trump say Ghana fo ni na no ye wo show speedy recovery inti eno na nkrofo kan se nti e ba ne sen ena Nigeria emebunu ye ku omo nanso president Akufo-Addo ayedin won pese obekasa inti obi beka president Akufo-Addo asembo efa ne ho ben inti we hu se ne link na ete because he is the head of ECOWAS Nigeria a major player in ECOWAS inti nkrofo susu se e wo se wakasa because Nigeria she na sisisia no akwa say ECOWAS ni ano wono ne president inti Nigeria na say at least wakasa etre Buhari betumi ayeden etie inti nkrofo ehwe nim say ebia publicly what the bekasa na enye president Akufo-Addo pe nkrofo efre African Union, in fact United Nations, people are calling them out, and now me know ka say Nigeria for end police brutality in Nigeria anyway no over 2 million tweets ena aba wo mobile president ni kradin ye de Ghana ye president edin for ho nti nsem ni nina no nsem a esi wo Nigeria no ni nina ni mate ase nti mo ntwe mo adwen wo enyi ukọ na ukọ search for ECOWAS, and that's the irony. So ukọ search for the roles of ECOWAS, they are responsible for the security and economic activities, because one thing NSA, if a country is not secured, obviously economic activities don't go on. O mai bia ntokwa esi wom bia no eya na edwedie ene nyama no eba fom. Inti ECOWAS no ukọ check wo job description and now wo roles obehu ne said they are responsible for the security and economic activities of member states. Inti akwa say if Nanado is the chairman, he's also responsible for the security of the biggest economy, which is a country that is part of the ECOWAS Nanado is watching over. It's in Nkrofo susu say send ya wa ye kom e wa asem we ho de enye. That's what Ghanaians are saying on social media. Mo try mo adwo comment box ni mo. Me da say